What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video here on the TN Speed channel. Today we have got another chilly day and we're out here at Ryan's new house and we are going to install some new side skirts on the Corvette here. I have had the 3/4 skirts on it from the factory since I got it, and those are awesome, but one of them kind of got damaged, unfortunately, and I'll go more into that as we talk about it. I decided instead of replacing it with the same side skirts, I would just make the best of a bad situation and get some side skirts that I actually like a little better. These are full length side skirts, so they're going to extend all the way to my rear wheel instead of being like the 3/4 where they kind of cut off right before the little vent in front of the rear wheel. These should look a little bit more aggressive and hopefully they complement the car even better than what's on them. They are still the carbon flash, just like what is on it. I did not go with the carbon fiber because I learned my lesson here that these things are a little bit of a wear part and it's probably going to be one of the first things to get damaged in the future as well. So rather than spending the extra few $100 on carbon, which I still may do in the future because I do actually like that, but when I do that, I'll put everything carbon on it, you know, the front splitter, the wickers, everything. So I want to do all that at once. But today we're just going to get these side skirts on, so let's get started. This is a perfect opportunity to show you just how practical a Corvette can be. You will not believe what all I have in this thing. I have my camera back, I have my jack stands, I have my jack, I have my tools, well, 2 tool things, and my side skirts. Anything else you'll see popping up down. That's actually better. So you can see here the damage that occurred the other day when I was pulling out onto a main road. Unfortunately, someone decided to change lanes into my lane at the last moment, forcing me over into the curb and damaging my side skirt. Now, luckily there was no issues with the wheels or anything, which I was worried about based on the sound that it made. It made a pretty terrible sound when the fiberglass cracked, but pulled over and assessed the damage really quickly and it wasn't that big of a deal. I decided rather than messing with involving the police and everything, I just decided to replace the side skirts. I guess, you know, whoever that was, hopefully karma sorts it out for me. But so let's get started on step 1, which is jacking up the car. Well, that's annoying. Didn't think about that. Whatever. All right, cool. That freaked me out a little bit, to be honest.
Freaked me out too. I was standing in fucking front of it.
Yeah, I'll bet. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, just barely. I don't know about that. Cause I ain't sure. I'm glad you started filming, cause like this way they get the real personality, you know? Well, what the fuck are these?
What is it?
I don't know what kind of fasteners these are at all.
Like you've never seen them before?
No. I don't know where to even begin to get those out. I guess.
Take a picture of them like this.
Yeah, this is a weird fastener.
Do you want to talk about the fact that those are weird? Those are weird.
Yeah, I didn't know. Is it still filming?
It is now.
Okay. So I don't know if you guys could hear me while I was down there, and I'll put a picture up here on the screen so that you can see what I'm talking about. But I don't know what these connectors are that are holding these side skirts on. I've never personally seen it. I mean, it's like some sort of body clip, like a plastic thing. So I'm just gonna try and pry it out. I don't know what else to do. So let's go see what's in the other side skirts though, and maybe that'll help me sort of figure out what I'm gonna do with this hardware situation. I mean, it seems like there's... Oh, shit. Okay. I do have to say this is packaged better than I expected. Absolutely no damage in transit. It did sit in Illinois for like 4 days, so I got really worried about it. Last time that happened to me, I had to wait another 6 months on a package. UPS thankfully got it to me safely. And let's get it open, see what they look like. Also, I want to take a moment to say that I ordered these from Extreme Online Store. And I have to say their customer service is really, really good because when I very first started looking at these things, I actually emailed them to see if I could just get one because I thought these were the same as the skirts that I had on the car and I was just going to replace that one. And then when I found out these actually were different, and I kind of noticed actually before they even replied to tell me, I found out they were different, so I just decided to go ahead and order the pair. But the people out there were really quick to reply to me and were definitely cool with just selling me one out of a pack, which I thought was really nice. So this came with self-tapping screws. The self-tapping screws and 3M tape is going to be used. So I guess it doesn't really matter what happens with those connectors, I'll just pull them out.
That's definitely not doing anything, so...
You know, this is annoying. It's turning. It's not doing any good. I have an idea. Just trying to find out how to get rid of these connectors real quick from someone that knows what they're talking about. Hey Jeff, how's it going today? I kind of have a little bit of a unique request. I'm wondering if you could put me on the phone with a technician that has a little bit of experience with the C7 Z06s. These are plastic little clip type thing. I mean, they're not like the standard metal rivet like I would think of. Yeah, so I can just drill that out? Okay. Oh, okay. It flexed so much when I tried to put a screwdriver under it, I thought it was plastic for sure. Okay, all right, well, I'll drill them out then. Thank you.
Cool.
And they're aluminum, not plastic, but it feels a lot like plastic. I don't know. We'll see. I guess I need to get a drill bit, which is in there. Not want to have to drill it.
Apparently that's the way.
Apparently that's the way. It's gonna have to come up more.
Even to get the back one, so.
Yep. Hey!
I was worried that those things weren't going to want to come off of there.
Me too.
So Ryan's drill is considerably shorter than mine. Not like considerably, but enough to where I think I can get under here with it. So I don't actually have to do anything different with the jacks, hopefully. Oh, so much room for activities. Front tires kind of need to be on something. I'm not putting another jack stand here because I'm not getting under the car, but normally I obviously would. Wow, that was so easy too. That's ridiculous.
All that.
Yeah. Okay, now all I got to do now is just do this one little bitty bolt with a ratchet. Wouldn't that be funny if it ended up being like metric?
Yeah, it would be.
I really think this 1/4 inch has it though. Teeny bit too big. It's metric.
It's metric.
What?
For some reason I'm not surprised.
I guess it's not actually that surprising. Things are standardizing.
Tis a 7. What the hell?
I don't think I'm that surprised.
I guess it doesn't really surprise me, and it doesn't really make a difference.
Makes it easier to work on. It's like got one thread in there. There we go. The next step is going to be to clean off the surface that we're going to be mounting the new skirts to, because we are going to be using double-sided tape, which was on here, and from the looks of it, it wasn't a very clean surface when it was put on because that stuff just peeled right off. Usually you have to apply a little bit of heat or something to get it off, but in this case it's already gone. I mean, it came off with the skirts. So clean it up and get to lining up the new skirts. I'm actually going to stick them on first with the 3M tape and just get the very first front bolt, sort of line it up like that, and then I'll drill through using the skirt as a template, and then we'll put the screws in.
But see, like, there's not even any residue from the other sticky stuff. Like, it was barely on here.
This is the other side. Wow, those are a lot more. These are what came off the car, and these are what's going on the car. You can see there's quite a bit of length difference here. I think these are going to look a lot better, actually. I really am excited about this. I guess in a way, thanks to that guy that decided to run me off the road.
Okay.
Hey, not even mad. What do you think?
Yeah, those are going to look good.
I dig that. All right, cool. Well, I'll put some tape on these. I need to tip mine off because mine didn't. Oh, wow.
Ooh.
It's all good. It's all good. I'm just trying to reposition.
That was easy.
I like how well these parts fit. I mean, to be a completely aftermarket part, you know.
It does fit well.
I was sort of worried because my Subaru side skirts had a little bit of a curvature to them that didn't actually match what a actual Subaru's body did. I had to like flatten them with heat.
These guys know how all you tacos are. They don't want a lot of complaints.
For anyone that doesn't know what a taco means, that's your typical asshole Corvette owner, which I try not to be, so.
It's just a funny thing to say.
It is funny. It is really funny. Like, and nobody actually, I feel like none of the Corvette owners actually know what that means.
Because nobody tells them.
Yeah, so you can just like, you taco you.
Done. Boom. Roasted. Looks sick. Really like those. Really like those.
All right, guys, there you have it. The first side done. We had a few hiccups along the way, but I kind of solved those as I went, and we were able to figure it out. Thankfully, GM Murfreesboro did call me back and told me it was safe to just go ahead and drill those out. I actually thought they were plastic, but it turns out they're aluminum, so totally makes sense in the end. All that's really left now is to repeat the exact same process on the other side, so I don't really see a need to show that. I think by this video, you guys should be able to figure it out. And if you have any issues whatsoever with your own Corvettes, please throw it down in the comments. I'd love to answer you and help you out any way I can. Also, if you enjoy this video and it helps you out in any way, please hit the like button and maybe subscribe for more. Alright guys, that has been a very successful install. Big thanks to Ryan from AV Car Chronicles. Make sure you go check out their channel. He helped me out a whole bunch today. I would not have been able to do this alone very easily. But another thank you to Extreme Online Store. These aftermarket parts are some of the best fitting aftermarket parts that I've ever purchased. I mean, ever. And I've bought a lot of aftermarket stuff, and just to have these things fit perfectly, line up how I wanted to without any work. Super good job, guys. So I will be ordering from them again, and if you need some side skirts, I suggest that you do too. I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. Again, if it has, please like the video, maybe subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next video. What are the odds of that? I just kicked over my windshield.
Fucking hilarious, dude.
Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.